Stonebwoy any Beam natives alusu one of their biggest fan abusuan or support a Beam Nation.
Stonebwoy any Stonebwoy fans, any Beam Nation fans for me are sorry.
I friend Black Ferrari and was it Stonebwoy Sarkodie when Stingy.
Sarkodie Stonebwoy Stingy.
After that, or the apology about Bontain. Now here is his apology.
And I call life. Many madam for Bako. But in some now make it kind of real life now me ankasa me be no life ni me say no man ankasa yi nti we dem misrem obi anfa ncheme wo mu kotodwem misrem obi anfa ncheme say man ankasa yi Stonebwoy
I Andra whole life na life no akotwe ensem bebree e de about Bontain masabra me no kase de Black Ferrari abusuya wa wonim no. He is a young man who claiming say he loves Stonebwoy and he supports Stonebwoy. To Stonebwoy nyum.
Oh boy, yes with the pandy bean and the show never fool up and never da. That wanna answer the max Alaxis in Tamagana, then give me God.
Going into Stonebwoy's house, meeting Dr. Louisa. You know, meeting these people. These are some of his videos.
So me tell them from way back, man, the the same track. Can't fade out, man, I really know assist, me no know out. Me show them physical, I never give no man charter. Could I never cool every day man get harder. So now what we get, we no need to go charter. So last young could do, them send me wire.
Now, Andra, ne life for Koye no, and I uchimu say, people think say, Otto Stonebwoy, you know, he has been having this benefit. Stonebwoy has been gifting him money.
Mr. Minimum of you be I been say be I'm to Stonebwoy, you man, I'm here be intimate scary. But yes, sir, and then 3 days you call me chairman. On my iska, on my way 3,000 do me so with the Stonebwoy, I'm a whisker. I'm pa, bro, I'm from me, but me, you, me.
Beam Nation supporters in Nancy Omonpen, Beam, to say the uncle and at work. These are some of the complaints that if a Beam Nation fans need be a hobber.
A Black Ferrari, so one, I'm casting Mitchell. They be happy be a Stonebwoy once and a CEO. It's if I would John life and all fan fooling life and a fake one. Because you are things that you say me nigga no Stonebwoy, I appreciate you that. Yeah, wama be that. Oh, but life because then Stonebwoy is Stingy, Sarkodie is Stingy, you. Hey, tell me if you never come me slow Stonebwoy because on whom be beer with chance and I happen. You see, Fanny said Stonebwoy foul so bebu awa. Kevin boy in the crash obey anymore. You all niggas are fanfulless, young humo.
Yes, the reason why they said they don't want him in Beam Nation is that Andra Okwa life and one SM fan back home claims that guy is his friend. Now they were talking, you know, said they bomb match and that they said the TikTok is bomb match and that they know. His friend was SM fan and he is also a Beam native. And Oka say, Stonebwoy and Sarkodie, they are very stingy.
Sarkodie, Stonebwoy, stingy.
Aside that, was saying you where's be a profane where said the man Stonebwoy. I will tell you say Stonebwoy, they were only see what ton on your promoting your mono. Stonebwoy and man she.
You know, I will talk because he the pain. Oh no, bro, you for but you see your time where you waste. See the effort you put for inside that your whole lifetime. You go meet the person to I want to like it can't bullshit with it. No. Stonebwoy, the Yawa man.
And a Beam Nation see there be hey. You are trying to be ungrateful just like Kevin Boy. I didn't think a Stonebwoy adiwa balam lights. Now I feel because the Stonebwoy is a stingy. Also say quite the way in the Stonebwoy, he in eyes gives Stonebwoy they do his own thing. Look at his video.
Bro, we say we don't get nothing safe. At least we did try to help some other people. There you start. Nah. I say if I call you wife, it will be like the warrior. And you not see. I mean, now you can't see the vibe. You so you as you see the vibe, you know, yeah, snub them. They do your thing. You understand? Sharp. But the more they waste energy, the more like you bring your spirit down because like when you do the thing rich, like by now you for the go barrier, but you go meet the person to see what happens. Instead, if for people, if for open live stream, they for make you do the live stream. They for Ghana, you see my boy. You see my boy. They you enough for open like the way Shatta Wale do what they do.
What's that say?
Feel the open they talk to you. If you believe yourself, can't spot that they introduce.
But if you come live, say, if I will send down request, I don't go accept.
Wow. You.
Any a black Ferrari, Busiani, some of the two Jano, which was said that be Stone Boy in an any ye, Stone Boy in an any ye. When a beam natives, hey, it is through Stone Boy that you came to the limelight. And whenever you go on live, beam natives will come under your life and will be sending you gifts. And people will be even calling you and be telling you, okay, are you the guy who has been singing Stone Boy in song? We say, yes, they've been sending you money. And now you have the guts to come out and tell Ghanaians that Stone Boy is ungrateful, Stone Boy is stingy. Stone Boy, someone who allows you to come into his house. I mean, he has opened his privacy to you. And then you are coming to tell Ghanaians that, no, this man supposed to give you money. And I've been nation force it, we don't do it like that. After say who say be nation, any Stone Boy any fans any day in top or the apology about Bontia will claim say I mon fan channel Stone Boy, please forgive me. So cause if you know be Stone Boy, nobody they know you for the industry, for the entertainment industry. If you Stone Boy is songs where he sing, that brought you into the limelight. So what else do you expect? Someone has given you the opportunity to come to his house, meet his wife, open his privacy to you, and then you expect the person to be giving you money each and every time you pay him a visit. You are not under contract with Stone Boy. You don't have that kind of money sharing contract with Stone Boy. So how come when you can't talk say Stone Boy be stingy, give you money? What way can they do for Stone Boy? And being native, they try to tell this guy, say no, he was a lion wearing sheep clothes how do I'm gonna say was it woman? Yes, it try be ungrateful, and that be why some people they try to drag Kevin Boy coming to the matter when they talk say that it be Kevin Boy in blood way enter the guy because if you know be that somebody will give you hey, and the thing be say if the say Stone Boy notice the guy, if the guy post the video you go see say Stone Boy will go comment under his videos. Stone Boy will go and he will comment under his videos, and people like the guy is verified to be a certified Stone Boy fan, to be a certified Beam natives, but sake of I read issues, I've seen people saying that be now the youth, when I the day for the money top sound, they see the benefit we the guy know they see the benefit we have, they see the spotlight that day for in top or not. What I say, and his apology about Bonten we say that the guy they planned the thing for a very long time. You talk say you get your eyes give Stone Boy, you do your thing. So that means say you have the issue inside you, and when you listen to his apology, you go feel here say they talk say the way people they seem to be like the way he did plus Stone Boy, he rich, but rich. So people they talk say the guy they rush. The guy they rush because since Stone Boy saw you, it hasn't been a year cry, and you expect say you go do that level. The thing be gradual process, but you want them fast. Right now, then they remove them from Beam Nation. So right now, this Black Ferrari day part of that Beam Nation group again. Yeah, only Stone Boy fans say if you meet this guy anywhere, don't call him Black Ferrari or don't tag Stone Boy in name too. Right now he be own musician, he doing his own thing.